Hey folks, welcome to another VR video. Today we're going to check out Cookout, a sandwich tale. It's been very unseasonably warm here in California, so it's good to get out into the wilderness. Looks like the sandwich shop over here is hiring. Let's give it a chance. So we're going to do the tutorial first.
Your mission is to one day serve the king and queen in the castle. It is going to be a long journey with the traveling restaurant.
The restaurant
But
travels.
before you
That's
set
cool.
out, you'll need to learn how to cook.
Welcome to the cooking school. I am Robot.
Hey,
I
robot.
will teach you the basics of making sandwiches.
Cool.
Let's start by serving a sandwich. First, press the fridge button to open it.
So I'm assuming this is the fridge. Yes.
Grab the
Okay.
loaf and the cleaver. Chop it up to get a nice slice of bread. Place the bread slice on the plate. Howdy. Keep going. Follow the recipe above the customer's head that matches the plate's number.
Okay, so now we need a tomato next. And I want to use the other hand for the cleaver because I am not very good at this. So mustard, just tomato mustard? What? Okay. And then what is this? The final touch. Okay.
You did it. Pick up the plate and serve the sandwich.
So now we'll serve the sandwich. Okay, just put it on that tray there.
Extracted the center and ordered correctly to make a perfect sandwich. A golden toothpick means that you are doing it right while bent is wrong.
Okay, that sounds good. So we're gonna do bread again. Then we're gonna do cheese. Then we'll do ham. And then the final touch. That does look delicious, I have to agree.
If you mess it up, pick up the plate and rearrange the ingredients.
Okay, so this one's a rearrange the ingredients. Okay, so let's take everything off. Now what does it want? It wants the cleaver. Bread, followed by ham, cheese, and tomato.
Don't keep customers waiting, or they'll leave. Can you make the sandwiches on time?
I hope so.
I know.
Deliver on time. Okay. So this is the part where it starts to get stressful. And we got cheese. Then we got ham. Then we got the final touch.
Each round has 3 different goals to complete.
Okay,
To
3
win a
goals to
round,
complete.
You need to finish at least one of them. What's up?
Serve at least one customer. Okay, let's do this. Oh, now it's a turntable. So let's grab this, plop it on there. Ham. Hopefully the ham will. Great. And we got ketchup. Great. And then cheese.
Could you hurry up?
Trying to hurry up.
The goals can
Fabulous!
well to win during the round.
It
Finish
does look great.
as
I
many
love this
goals
mouse. The animation of the mouse is great. Okay, so Is he back again? Let's do the cheese cutting. The ingredient should be centered, that's fine. Fix that on this next pass here. Uh-oh. And then the final touch. Top marks.
Woohoo, nice.
Okay. What's next? He snacked on that sandwich. Bread. Cheese is next. Then the ham. Then the finishing touch.
Clear all goals.
Let's do ham next.
You don't always necessarily have
Did
all
it.
the ingredients, and we'll have to cooperate with others. If you're playing alone, I will help you out. Let's give it a try.
Yeah, let's give it a try. So we're going to cooperate with the robot now. So in this one, you alternate ingredients with another player. So if I had other players, we could play in multiplayer right now. And very similar to games like Space Team, you have to cooperate with others.
Onion, 4 plate, 3. I'm idling.
Alright, so we're going to cooperate with the robot.
Preparing lettuce, 4 plate,
So they're
3.
preparing lettuce.
Out of moods. After some hard work, I will run out of power. Would you kindly recharge me by turning the crank?
Okay, so, okay, that makes sense.
Well done. We're happy to have you on board, Chef.
Cool. So happy to have me on board.
Cozy Village.
Um,
Here, you will have a chance to review everything you learned.
okay. Welcome to Cozy Village. So thumbs up when you are ready. Reach plates on the other side of the table with ketchup and mayo. Okay, that's good to know. So in this short level, we need to serve at least one customer, at least one perfect sandwich, and 4 customers within the time limit.
Good luck.
All right. Usually need a sandwich first, right?
Good afternoon. Preparing rye bread, 4 plates.
Oh, it's rye bread. Okay.
Out of moods. Preparing
Okay.
rye bread, 4 plates.
Wrong stacking order. Whoops.
Preparing rye bread, for plate 2. Delivery fair. Out of moods.
Top marks. This is really just a tomato sandwich. All right, plate 4.
Could you hurry up? Preparing rye bread for plate 2.
So, plate 4.
Lettuce for plate 2. Preparing onion for plate 4. Ow.
Come on, plate 4. All right.
Wonderful.
Out of power.
Preparing rye bread for plate 2. Out of mood. Thanks.
Start chopping.
Preparing cheese for plate 4. Delivery on idling. Dude, awesome.
We did it. Is that it? Is that the whole? Is that the whole round?
Nicely done.
Nicely done. Yeah. Serve at least one perfect sandwich. So we got 3 stars on that one. We've got a star meter there. And we've completed Tutorial Town. Cool.
Now
So we
ready
got
to
lots of
embark on your
coins and a
journey.
stainless
Do you
cleaver.
want to continue alone or search for more players? You can change modes at any point later.
So the next town is The Journey Begins. We'll continue solo. And we'll just do this The Journey Begins town.
After cooking food, it is finally time to put your skills to the test.
Robot will help you out. Use the crank that appears during the round if robot runs out of energy. Serve at least 1 customer, 3 customers, and every customer. Thumbs up. Okay, what kind of sandwiches are we looking for?
Fry bread for plate 3. Preparing lettuce for plate 3.
Plate 1.
Preparing fry bread for plate 5.
Oops, ham.
Out of moves.
Let's get rid of that. Let's do ham again.
Looks delicious.
We need ham.
Good day.
It's not perfect, but it'll do.
Don't forget me.
I'm trying not to forget you. Right.
Looks slick.
So we need this for both customers. We'll go with customer 3 first.
Preparing lettuce for plate 3. Out of moves.
That was fantastic.
And then we need tomato, then cheese. Tomato.
Take along the way.
Onion for plate 5.
So they prepared too much. Tomato, cheese, onion. Top marks.
That looks wonderful.
And I think we did it. Robot can get a nice rest. We served at least 3 customers. We served every customer. And while this is a short video, this is a good look at Cookout. And again, there are longer levels. You can also play this game with other players. Multiplayer would be key. With 4 players, it would be somewhat like Overcooked, it seems. I really like the atmosphere. Tons of fun. Looks like we can even grill up some sandwiches later in the game. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I will be back with more content soon. Until next time, get out there and enjoy some VR for yourself. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.